Ballroom for High Level Live, Manila. Daming tao. Bet ko tong ano, this one. Gonna buy that later. Wala guys, nakapag-shopping na tuloy ako dito. So, ilang t-shirt. Actually, dalawang t-shirt.
Oh, I was just going to say thank you to everybody. This is an amazing crowd.
Sit down.
We feel so lucky to be here, and we're so thankful to be here with all of you.
Today is our day 2 and syempre kasama ko ang aking driver. PA for life. Oh, ang dami na nila dito. At nilalamig na ako. Merong unang kauna-unahan na humarang sa akin today. And what's your name?
Alessi.
Hi! Alessi? Ah, okay. Sige. Wait lang. Guys, ang daya. Kahapon naghahanap ako ng blue na ano, or navy blue na Go High Level t-shirt. Ngayon lang siya lumabas. So, ayan, meron na ngayon. Sabi kasi kahapon, hindi daw sila magre-release kasi pang staff lang. Pang employee lang daw ng Go High Level. Ayun, meron na. Sad. Sad talaga.
FDEX students, hi. Hello, shoutout sa inyo lahat. I'll be talking later and excited ako.
Okay, so nag-try tayong mag-register dito. Tapos lagi daw silang hiring, guys, for GHLVA. So magta-try tayo ng ruleta nila para baka may manalo tayo ng something. Dadayain ba natin to? Dadayain natin. 1, 2, 3, go! Hinawakan ko na guys para hindi mag-sorry. So, I have the fun. Thank you. And this is helpful. Lagi na lang itong nasa car namin. So, marami na akong stocks nito. Maglakad-lakad pa tayo. Baka may makita pa tayong iba. At nakita ko, syempre, si si Jenny. Good morning. Good morning. Hi! May binunok siya sa akin, guys. So, wala daw transaction fee kay High Globe. Can you educate me ng konti?
Zero transaction fees po. Only conversion rate is 0.60%. Better than other competitors.
Tingnan nyo, may nakalagay.
Credit card acceptance.
Credit card acceptance. So, pwede?
Yes. So parang bibigyan ka namin ng ability to create payment links. So very simple lang yung payment links. Click mo lang create payment links. Makakakita ka ng link. Copy mo yun. Send mo sa client mo via WhatsApp or probably email. Pag-click ng client mo doon, mariredirect sila sa isang window wherein they will enter their credit card or debit card details. Switch to High Globe now!
O, di ba guys, dito pa kami magpapangita ng aking isa sa mga nakaka-co-working ko sa TikTok. So, hi sa mga TikTok fans natin dyan. And, tada!
Let's go! Grabe!
Invite mo sila mag-co-working sa atin minsan.
Oh yeah, guys, kung nasa TikTok kayo, nag-scroll lang din kayo, mag-co-work na kayo with ang daming value mga tunan, ang daming kwentuhan, and at the same time, hindi kayo mabubore. Yun ang masasabi ko. Dahil sobrang daming ma-share
Grabe.
Yung mga question niya, gustong-gusto ko yung question niya because talagang hindi lang ako napapaisip but nakukuha yung alam mo yun, yung core ng question, ganun ka-heavy yung mga questions mo.
Kasi habang nag-work, kailangan meron ka ring ibang ginagawa, yung para hindi ka na naboboring habang gumagawa ka ng mga task mo for clients. Kung kailangan mo ng makakasama, sama kayo sa amin.
Yes. See you doon, guys.
Ayan guys, so meron na naman tayong nakitang person. Say hi kay Coach Roel ng FB Ads. FB Ads so for real estate.
Hi guys, hi Bebs, nice to meet you. Yan si Bebs yan. Kala ko wala ka dito.
Ay, pwede ba naman yun?
But yun, meron kaming ilo-launch pala for soon, no? So about sa GHL, so lalo na sa mga beginners and business
So
owners.
anong meron sa'yo right now for your real estate, for your community?
Alright, yeah, good thing thank you for the question. Yeah, right now we're gonna utilize the AI and the GHL. So, isa sa mga gagawin namin or ginagawa ko na ngayon is I'm gonna teach the real estate professionals to have a website easily using GHL and AI. So, yun. So, gagamitin namin yung platform namin nila, Bebs.
Wow, exciting yun! Hintayin natin yan. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya or hindi pa kayo na-follow sa kanya, follow nyo siya. Yan din naman yung name niya sa Facebook.
Yeah,
So,
same lang.
at saka sa TikTok, nasa TikTok din siya. So, ilalagay ko na lang yung links dyan sa somewhere dito sa video.
Hi, what's up? Oh! Ask the question. No, I'm gonna turn around. It's gonna be really cool. Just watch. Ask the question.
Hey, if you're gonna give some advice for funnel designers in the Philippines, what would it be?
I would say make sure you're using the AI builder. It's super powerful, but then also know the basics. And from there, you'll basically have everything you need to be a world-class funnel designer like yourself. Just a little shout out to Funnel Designers PH. I'm the GHL wizard. You guys rock, work hard, be like me, make sure you get a robe, and all the other cool stuff.
Guys, late na tayo. Kakaikot natin. Kakaikot ko, late na ako. So, papasok na ako kasi mag-i-start na yung first speaker.
Hey everyone, I'm Joanna Cheryl and hi to the FDA community. So if you are a funnel designer, I just would like to let you know that keep going. You are very essential in a business and that every funnel you create needs and helps business owners to convert and generate lead. So keep going, keep designing and enjoy the process.
Can you shout out for Funnel Designers PH community and give message?
Hi, Final Designers PH community members. I hope you are amazing. I want each and every one of you to believe in you, take action, and live the life you truly desire and deserve. All the very best. May 2026 be your best year yet.
Thank you so much.